Imagine this. Your arteries are like highways, but cholesterol turns them into traffic jams. Did you know high cholesterol causes 2.6 million deaths worldwide each year? But here's the good news. What's on your plate can change your fate. Today, we're diving into the top foods that naturally lower cholesterol. And trust me, some of them will shock you. Welcome back to Healthy Living TV, where we empower you to take control of your health one bite at a time. High cholesterol may be common, but it doesn't have to control your life. In today's episode, I'll walk you through 10 foods that lower cholesterol naturally. We're not talking bland here, we're talking delicious, everyday staples you can enjoy guilt-free. Plus, I'll give you tips and tricks to incorporate these superfoods into your meals seamlessly. Here's what you'll get. By adding these foods to your daily routine, you'll not only reduce your bad cholesterol, LDL, but also improve your good cholesterol, HDL, protect your arteries, and boost your energy levels. Imagine feeling healthier and lighter, without relying on medications alone. So, what's the deal with cholesterol? It's a fat-like substance in your blood that your body needs to build cells. But when too much LDL cholesterol, commonly called the bad cholesterol, builds up in your arteries, causing blockages. This can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Meanwhile, HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, acts like a cleanup crew, carrying LDL away from the arteries. The foods we're discussing today are scientifically proven to tip the balance in favor of HDL while reducing LDL. You might already know that oats and nuts are cholesterol-lowering heroes, but what if I told you there's a superfood drink that's even more effective than some medications? Curious? We'll get there soon. But let's start with the foundational foods for heart health. 1. Oats and barley. Starting with the classic oats. They're rich in soluble fiber, specifically beta-glucan, which forms a gel in your gut that traps cholesterol, preventing it from entering your bloodstream. Barley, a close cousin, works just as well. Studies show that consuming 3 grams of beta-glucan daily can lower LDL cholesterol by 5 to 10%. Start your morning with a bowl of oatmeal, or mix barley into soups for dinner. 2. Fatty fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which not only lower triglycerides but also increase HDL levels. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and prevent cholesterol from sticking to artery walls. For maximum benefit, try to eat 2 servings of fatty fish each week. Pro tip: if you're not a fan of fish, opt for fish oil supplements or plant-based omega-3 sources like flax seeds. 3. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are heart health superstars. Almonds, for instance, are rich in monounsaturated fats and plant sterols that block cholesterol absorption. A handful a day can reduce LDL cholesterol by up to 7%. Walnuts, on the other hand, provide omega-3s and polyphenol, which further protect your arteries. Tip: keep a jar of roasted nuts in your kitchen for an easy snack or sprinkle seeds over your morning yogurt. 4. Avocados. Avocados are creamy, delicious, and loaded with monounsaturated fats that lower LDL cholesterol. They're also high in fiber, which enhances their cholesterol-lowering effects. Research shows that replacing saturated fats with avocados can lower cholesterol by 13.5 milligrams per deciliter. Pro tip: blend avocado into smoothies for a creamy texture and an extra health kick. 5. Legumes. Lentils, beans, and chickpeas are protein-packed alternatives to red meat, which can raise cholesterol. These legumes are high in soluble fiber, binding to cholesterol and flushing it out. Replace meat in at least 2 meals a week with legumes to see a measurable improvement. Tip: make a chickpea salad or a lentil curry to keep things exciting. 6. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet, and for good reason. Its high content of monounsaturated fats reduces LDL while maintaining HDL cholesterol. Use olive oil instead of butter or margarine, and you'll notice a difference. Pro tip: look for cold-pressed olive oil for the highest nutrient content. 7. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries are packed with polyphenol, antioxidants that lower LDL cholesterol and reduce oxidative stress. Their soluble fiber content also makes them an excellent choice for heart health. Tip: freeze berries to enjoy them year-round in smoothies or baked goods. 8. Dark leafy greens. Leafy greens like kale and spinach are rich in carotenoids and fiber, both of which are cholesterol-lowering nutrients. They also contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, a crucial factor in heart health. Tip: sauté greens with garlic and olive oil for a quick and tasty side dish. 9. Soy products. Soy-based foods like tofu, edamame, and soy milk contain isoflavones, plant-based compounds that reduce LDL cholesterol. Regular soy consumption can lower cholesterol levels by up to 5 to 6%, according to studies. Tip: try a soy latte for your morning caffeine fix. 10. Garlic. Garlic is more than just a flavor enhancer, it's a cholesterol-fighting champion. Its active compound, allicin, reduces LDL cholesterol and improves overall heart health. Use fresh garlic in your cooking every day for maximum benefits. Tip: crush garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking to activate its health properties. Now, let's put it all together. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries, enjoy a hearty lentil soup for lunch, and end with grilled salmon and a side of greens for dinner. These foods don't just work individually, they're even more powerful together. Here's that smoothie I promised. Blend half an avocado, a handful of spinach, a cup of soy milk, frozen berries, and a drizzle of olive oil. It's delicious, filling, and packed with heart-healthy nutrients. Click the link in the description to grab our recommended healthy living products. Lowering cholesterol doesn't have to mean giving up on flavor. These 10 foods are proof that you can eat well and live well. If you found today's video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Living TV for more tips on living your best, healthiest life. See you next time.